All right, so some interesting price action in BTC over the past 24 hours. We're able to get up and try to test recent highs, rejected that, and now we're coming back up in arguably lower volume, but I don't think it's that low. Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. I'm Randy. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, and Fetch AI. So yeah, Bitcoin rejected here, came back, made a lower low, and likely got a lot of people interested based on the amount of volume. But then we've turned around dramatically and gone up. And like I said, not really low volume. It's pretty decent volume. It's not showing on my volume aggregation tool here, but it's not bad. It's not something I think you want to throw away and just say, oh, this is just a low volume rally. I don't fully think it's a low volume rally. I think it's some actual good accumulation buying pressure and even some decent selling pressure. It's not basic chop. Um, so let's take a look at the bigger picture. We're up here still holding tight. We've been holding tight for a couple of days. Tight is good. Now after tight, you just have to move up. So I have a new alert at 71,455 and then the high at 73,778. Unless I got that number wrong. I don't think I did though. High 73,660, 73,757. I did get it wrong. What is it? 73,660? No, 73,757. Huh. I screwed that up. Anyways, 73,757. So there we go. So hopefully we'll break through that and have some momentum to break up through this. When you have these consolidations like this, what it gives everyone the ability to see that we're not going to sell off, or at least have confidence that we're not going to sell off. And then someone has to pull the trigger to take us higher. And as long as the sellers don't take us down, then we're good to go. And I'm hoping that's the case. I don't know if it's going to be another blockbuster rally or if we're just going to start, continuing with this trend. You see this trend line I have drawn here. This thing is just continuing to hold us up. It's been holding us up since this breakout here. I could extend this down lower, but it doesn't really matter because there's another trend line right there. So this is a good trend line for us. If we break this, we'll have a problem. This is the trend line you're really looking to break for this trend to erode pretty much immediately. And the only caveat to that is if it goes sideways and lower volume, that can be managed. So that's about the caveat to that. But plenty of room before that comes into play, unless we get a big spike down, which we hope doesn't happen. So BTC coming back, showing some resilience here over the past 3 days or so. Not too bad. Let's take a look at Shiba, which is we had it at the 3001, gave it a shot, still giving it a shot. The volume is a little bit light right now, but we do have time left in the day. And if we double this volume, this could be a nice what we call a pocket pivot. You can see here, there's no red candles here that would be of this stature, and so that would make that a pocket pivot. Any red candle in the prior 10 days would negate that as a pocket pivot. So we shall see. So the 3001 level I think is good. I'm not sure if it's you want to act upon it right now. About 6.5% up. You want to buy within 5% of an alert level. This is this is not quite a traditional breakout either. This is actually just a trend line break. So you want to be a little bit more conservative with these entries, and I would be so here with Shiba. All right, next up is Fetch AI, doing pretty good here, 302 alert level, and it's kind of working its way up. Good volume yesterday, increasing volume the past 4 days, and ideally that trend can hold. We did get some distribution, which is the reason why we're not up higher than we are. So I'm hoping that we can stabilize out here and then try to curl back up. Again, not a fan of the distribution here, but all in all, I don't think there's really too much to be worried about. Um, that being said, what I think doesn't matter. Keep your stop losses on your positions and go about your business. That's pretty much how trading works. Don't listen to anybody's opinions. Listen to market analysis and then see if you agree with that analysis. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I will not be here tomorrow. I will see you guys on Monday right back here on Altcoin Buzz Trading.